Good afternoon everyone, it's Ben from BOIT Solutions on my next video blog, and today we're going to talk about dust and how dust could really damage your computer, and it is quite common in desktops and laptops. I'm going to show you a piece of hardware here what normally commonly fails due to dust, and this is a graphics card. On this graphics card here you can see between the fan blades there's quite a lot of dust in there, and what happens is the dust seizes the fan and stops it spinning. So when it stops spinning, the capacitors here on the motherboard on the graphics card start to raise and get hot, and then cause the graphics card to malfunction, and then eventually make the computer fail. And this is quite a common problem with lots of desktops and laptops, that it's normally the system fan either on the motherboard or on the graphics card fail, and then make the capacitors, like these capacitors here, raise and get hot and fail. And that's normally when you get like random crashes like blue screens of death, randomly shutting down, cooling issues and stuff like that. And because it's the dust what actually does the computer in. And there is normally solutions for it. It's buying an air duster and blowing out the fans on a regular basis. As I was saying in the video just now, this is another example of fan failure and dust, and this is quite grimy. And this is where either the person smoked or got cats or dogs, etc., and it really has clogged up the motherboard quite a lot. It's not a failure of the motherboard, but in time this would actually fail, and it's due to someone smoking what's caused this, because this is a lot of tar and dust and dirt. I do see this quite a lot, quite common with a lot of customers who smoke and all have pets, that this fan here normally gets covered in dust and eventually fails, and then, as I said before, these capacitors fail. If we move around the computer, another fan what does fail is the power supply one. Similar sort of scenario, where the old dust and dirt gets in and totally clogs it up and wears it out and blows it up. So it's quite important that you buy something like this. This is normally what you can pick up from your local, like Poundland, Maplins, PC World, and you buy one of these and you just spray out the fans in here like that, and keep them all nice and clean, and that will prevent the computer from overheating, failing, or even crashing. So I just wanted to show you examples of really bad motherboards. This is another example of one here with another fan, but does look pretty grimy, and this motherboard has failed, and this one's failed because it's got a fault on the chipset. But it wasn't helped by the condition of the fan as well being seized. So there's another form of failure there. And the same with laptops. This is a laptop taken apart. It's a bit harder to get to the fans on the laptop because the fan's normally behind this area here, which is the protecting plate. But you can normally blow it out. If I look on the side here, you can normally blow out this section here with the air duster, and it keeps it all clean and working properly. So, as you can see in this video, I've shown you examples of different kinds of fans and different kinds of dust and dirt which affect the performance of a desktop or a laptop computer. It also goes to Macs, exactly the same. Apple Macs, iMacs, MacBook Pros all have fans, all have the same problem. So you have to do the same thing, get an air duster, blow them out. Also, as I said before regarding dust and dirt, to make sure the computer is well ventilated in a room where the fans have got plenty of time to breathe. Getting a laptop tray really helps as well, because that keeps it cool underneath. So never put a laptop on top of your bed or on a cloth or something, because that clogs up the fan and gets more dirt and dust and overheating in place. So it's only a quick video today, but I just wanted to reiterate how motherboards fail and what is the cause of them, and how you can prevent it happening to you. So it's Ben from BOIT Solutions, signing out for now, and I'll speak to you very soon.